Hi, I'm coming on today again to show some more things that I've made for my upcoming craft fair to give you some ideas. We'll save this one for last because I actually forgot to save one to make on camera. So we are going to make one together so I can show you how to do that. Okay, the first thing is these gloved treat holders, or toy holders, I guess I should say. And these were kits that I bought on Amazon. I will link them below. So you get the glove and all the toys that go in it, and then there's enough fingers that you can put a play finger in every one of the fingers, and then you just fill it with the toys. So I've got the fingers, this little roly-poly ball, some vampire teeth. What else is in there? Oh, a little stretchy skeleton, a spider, I think another stretchy toy, and then a sticker. So you just put it all in there, and then it actually comes with the ribbon that came with black or orange. And so just tie it in a bow, and then I made the Boo to You on my silhouette, and then I'm selling these for $3.50. Those are kind of cute. Okay, and then also I got on Amazon these kits, and it's not really Play-Doh, but it's some kind of soft dough. It's a kit, and you get orange ones and white ones, and then here's the face. So the person has to, they have to pull the eyes, nose, and mouth off of these pieces that hold them on there, okay? And then I put some shred, and then I just made up this poem myself. I just said, roll the dough so soft and fun, add a face, then your pumpkin is done. And then I added that clip art. So, and these are $3. Turned out kind of cute. Okay, this next thing is also from Amazon. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Let's see, the tag goes in the front like this. Okay, so it's just a cute ball that looks like a wand. And I'm going to show you how I put these together. I'm going to have to cut this one apart because I saved some pieces to make one, but I can't find the actual ball part, what I did with that. But you get about 6 different kinds of tags in the kit. And so this is one. Here's a treat for you. Happy Halloween. They can put to and from. And then they come with these twist ties. They come with the bags. They come with the pencils. So on this, it just twists together. And there's a top piece. You can tell that this is the top piece because it's got this rib around it, this white rib, or white band, I guess. And then you can tell the bottom piece, okay, because it's smaller than the top piece. And then it comes with this, and this just snaps in place. And I'm not going to take the pencil out, but see, it's really easy. It just snaps in place. And then the pencil goes up inside, and put the eraser part at the end because it doesn't fit as well. So I just put the pencil in there, but my problem was the pencil wasn't staying in. So I just took some clear Scotch tape, and I just taped around this. And as you can see now, it's not going to come out unless somebody really bangs this around pretty hard. So it comes with toys to put inside, but not with any candy. And so I wanted it to be real full. So I've got M&Ms, Skittles, a couple of Airheads, a Starburst. I just bought a big bag of Halloween candy, a Snickers, a Twix, and then this is what comes in the kit. You get a cute little notepad. Let me move this up a little bit. A cute notepad, and then an eraser, some teeth. I think the teeth came with it. I'm pretty sure. If not, I just added them out of my stash. A pencil sharpener. Anyway, you can see it's pretty full. And then just put this together. So it just snaps, actually. Snaps right in place. Okay. And then put it in the cellophane bag. And I did mention that the cellophane bags come with it. Okay. Then I just held it together while I did the twisty tie around it, kind of tight. Okay, and just twist that about 4 or 5 times. Okay. Then I just got some black yarn. Only I ruined my yarn because I had to cut it. Anyway, I just got some black yarn and I doubled it. I might be able to use this actually. Let's see. And then I just tied it on. Yeah, I can use it still. And then I just took one piece of string on each side to add the tag. I did punch a bigger hole in these because the hole that came in them was small. So I just take one piece of yarn and thread it through your hole, and then get another piece of yarn and then tie that in a knot. Then take both of your yarns, both pieces on each side, tie in one more knot because you just don't want your tag to come off. And then tie it in a bow. Isn't that cute? And I'm selling those for $5.50. So I will link everything. It's fun to buy these kits because all you have to do is put everything together, you know. So I will link all of these in the description, and I hope that gives you some more fun ideas. And they're just super easy to put together. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back. Have a great day. Bye.